Apple discontinues iMac Pro as signs point to imminent M1 launch, Reseller News. Google rolls out Android 12 Developer Preview 1.1 MENAFN.com. Xiaomi has shared a disassembly video of the Redmi Note 10 Pro, Gizchina.com. Screened out by a computer? What job interviews are like without human beings, CBC.ca. Xiaomi Mi TV Stick Review, lagging behind the competition, Android Authority. Android and iOS users exposed to danger due to private data leak on insecure apps, Digital Information World. Viral, massive flock of starlings form perfect bird shape as they fly over an Irish lake. Watch Times Now. City to bring back shared-use streets for physical distancing outdoors, CTV Edmonton. Genshin Impact free Primo Gems codes revealed in 1.4 update trailer, How to redeem, the Indian Express. COVID-19 exposure reported on Vancouver Penticton flight, Penticton News, Castanet.